My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I deal in IRS tax debt. I worked for IRS for how long? 10 long years. And I'm an expert in IRS tax resolution. I've been on all the major news stations. Just go to 777irs.com and you can learn all about me. A lot of people call me and they say, hey, I have an IRS debt and IRS is want to collect the money from me, and I don't want IRS to put a lien on my property, put a lien on my assets. Is it okay to go ahead and transfer that money or transfer the asset to somebody else? Because IRS hasn't come, they haven't come knocking on my door. What can I and what can I do? Once you actually file a tax return or have knowledge that you have a tax debt coming, you cannot just go ahead and transfer your property. IRS has a code section under 6901. It's called a transferee liability, that if in fact you take an asset and you try to transfer it to somebody else, IRS will go ahead and file a lien against that person to collect whatever asset you transferred. So you cannot do that. Don't do that. If you owe a tax debt, you don't start moving money around, because IRS, like me, I was a former agent, I would be able to find out what you did with that money. Cash is another story, but I would find out what happened to bank accounts, cars, real estate property, anything that's a matter of public record or on a financial statement or on maybe a bank financial statement. IRS would have access to, and they would track that property, and now that other person has an issue too. They have fraudulent transfers as well. So IRS has a bunch of legal remedies to go after that asset. So just be very careful. If you need me, I'm a former agent. Subscribe to me if you would. I appreciate it. You can always text me or email me. Thank you so much.